Welcome back to my living nightmare. I hate this game.
Alright.
Alright. Let's get raped by some vampires. Ugh.
What sauce? Blah blah blah. What
I like sauce.
Zaxby sauce.
I like Zaxby sauce.
Probably a good idea to stay away from the door.
I'm trying to figure out where everyone is, because... Alright. Chicken's dead.
You saving those?
Well, I know I can kill the chickens, and I know I can kill the vampires with these. Where are the vampires? They're normally all up in my business. Ho ho ho! Sharpshooter!
Whoa!
Nah, bitch, thank you! How kind of you. Okay. Chicken. Chicken. Where's the chicken?
Might be on the other side of that.
Chicken. There's chicken. I like the over-the-shoulder fucking... Oh, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. Get out, get out, get out. It makes it look like he's enjoying it, though.
Would you?
No! Why is suffocating in her fucking boobs? Gotcha.
Ugh. I sneezed.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna get caught by the door with Fiddle Dee again. Yeah.
You gonna pop everything open real quick?
Is that it? Is that all of them?
Yeah, that's all the ghoulies. Might be a good idea to destroy some stuff.
Oh, there's invisible. Health right here. No, let me get the health. Ah, okay, got the health.
Just don't try to leave, I guess.
Nothing coming out of these. What is that? When did that get there? You're kidding me! That's been there the entire fucking time!
I was wondering when you were gonna find that.
Ah! I hate this game.
But he just gave you a gift!
I don't give a shit! It hid the gift from me!
Yeah, but you have to find it. You think it's just
No!
gonna drop those on you every level?
I mean, sometimes it does. By letting the ghoulies, like, kill each other. Shit. God fucking damn it. I've done this level 5 times!
3?
No. There's been at least 4.
Now you're gonna let the hunchback out.
I don't give a shit. He can go do whatever he wants. Live his own life.
He gets like a job at Publix.
Aw, bagger.
Yeah. Alright. Slide the milk down to him.
Good show, sir. You fought bravely. That's the first piece of the rhyme taken care of.
That was just the first one.
The second that you will find in the stables. Let me mark on your map where that is.
Ready to fight some haunted horses?
Are there really horses?
No, there's no horses.
God damn it. You got me excited.
Oh.
I want to see horsies. I don't have Edmund now, and I didn't kill. Oh. Oh. No. No, no. Hey, no. Rude. Rude! Rude. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that there's a chakra blocker.
Well, I know what it's for.
Yeah, you know what it's for. Is this asshole here again?
Yes. That's what it's for.
Like a little bat. Do it, bat! Go!
See how it's getting longer?
Go, bat! Go, bat, go! Do I have to kill these assholes?
Don't think so.
I'm not going to. No, fuck you. Go away.
They're just
You
chattering
good?
behind
You good?
you.
Okay.
That's their way of putting Link into this game.
Doesn't fit in college. Oh! Am I going to his house?
Yeah.
Neat. What is this? What's tree?
It's a weapon.
Oh.
Oh, good job.
Oops. I didn't mean to. Oh, look! It looks like an. Oh.
You killed nature.
Sorry. Oh,
You fucked nature.
I like this tree. I fucked a vampire. I mean.
You got boob smothered.
Go away. Go away. Go away. You failed that reflex save on your landing, sir. I kind of
There's a trap.
He's like, aha! W.
You didn't see this level, did you?
The cottage?
Like what when James was playing?
No, I think I went to bed at that point.
Okay.
Oh! Oh? You remind me of something. Oh, does it explode?
Yeah. But now you're safe.
He reminds me of a worm in something Zelda or something. God, I don't remember. Oh! Sir, you have an infestation. God damn. Will they explode each other?
Yeah, they'll blow each other away.
Oh, I can see how this level is gonna go. Oh, I bet it's you. No, it's you. Ow.
Oh. That looked like
I
it
didn't
hurt.
quite get far enough away from him.
Well, that was
Ow.
smart. Why would you do that?
I don't know.
You knew he was gonna blow up.
Shut up. I thought he'd blown up already or something. I don't know.
They got little timers over their heads.
There's the last one. Okay. Where's the last one? Because it's a ghoulie that's got the key, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cute.
You can actually go in there.
I like
in
this
the
little
pool.
fishing gnome. What's in the pool?
I think a power up. Yeah.
Awesome.
Little health power up.
Well, I'm in the pool now, so.
What is that?
Energy boost.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, dude's about to come,
Mhm.
so. Ah, fishing pole. Where's that fucking worm?
Yeah, this level's kind of a bitch.
Is he hiding in something?
Yeah. He is.
You in the bush?
Not found the key yet. You'll still be looking when the Reaper comes to call me. Thanks.
Is that a clue? Is he in a beehive?
I like how everything becomes grayscale when he gets near you.
That's not okay. Oh, I'll take that. Bye!
Run, run, run. Run for the Reaper. Run, run, run.
Is he in the rock?
No.
Shit! Funny running into you here. Alright.
All the way back up here.
Yay!
Are we gonna fast forward this part?
Maybe a little bit.
Yeah.
So where's the worm asshole?
He was in the one thing you didn't break.
What was the one thing I didn't break?
The little white thing in the corner there.
Oh, the doghouse?
That's a beehive.
That's a beehive.
Yeah, there's no door on that.
That's a doghouse. I don't know, maybe the dog, maybe it's on the other side.
You broke every... James did the same thing, though.
Oh, yeah?
James was like, what the hell?
Oh, see, it's a doghouse. It's a fucking dog.
The hint was bee. That's a beehive. If you get close to it,
I
you'll
didn't
see
know
bees.
it's a fucking beehive.
See? That's why it's kind of a bad
chase
thing.
me. Oh, Jesus.
Oh.
What the hell?
Splash.
Sploosh. Dizzy Reaper? What was the Dizzy Reaper there?
What does he... Oh.
Yeah, how long is it? Oh, I guess I didn't break the mushrooms. Okay, well, fuck you guys. I'm going home.
I told you where it was because I didn't want that level to be the entire episode.
Thank you. I'm sure viewers appreciate that too. Done Fiddlin' Cottage.
You know why it's called that? Because little Willie always asks, are you done fiddling now?
Oh.
And he says no, and then he picks up his bow and continues to fiddle. Ha ha!
Sure.
Instant
nice
family
place.
friendly.
Nice place. Lots of stuff I can use for weapons. I don't like that.
Just wait until it
That's
says, only use your hands.
Tiny TV all far away from the couch over here.
That's how people used to do it.
You can't fucking see that.
Those old CRT TVs.
You can't see that from that far away. No wonder they fucking hurt their eyes. They're straining their eyes to see what's on the fucking... Oh, okay, well that lock was useless.
Yeah.
Why is it stinky?
Because that's his bed.
The bed in the infirmary was stinky too.
Alright. I think it doesn't
Alright.
wash the beds. Now what'd you have to do last time there was thorns on the door?
Beat shit.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a person.
Uh-huh.
It's unfortunate.
Uh-huh.
What? Come here. Come here. Come here. Cereal boxes shouldn't be this powerful.
Or that large.
Gotcha.
Give the TV a smack.
Why the TV?
Because I thought it would be a ghoulie.
Well, no, the Ghoulie TVs are bigger.
Are they?
Yeah, they're much bigger. Oh, this one?
Sure.
Jesus Christ. Why did it explode?
Because it's a TV.
Why are you running away from me?
Fuck you! Toilet paper!
One cup. Is that toilet paper?
Here,
Well, one turned into like 10. Oh, there he is.
That's what happened last time.
20 attacks.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. That was lucky.
That's why it gives you all these weapons.
Should have thrown the TV at him. Stop it. Hey! Oh. Oh, I broke the feather duster. Ham! Ham, don't fail me now!
Fuck off, Imp!
Get off me! Bitch! Alright. Damn it, I didn't expect it to go through the fucking...
He's a wizard.
Shut up. He's not a wizard, he's a warlock. They get their powers from 2 completely different places.
Where warlocks get their powers?
Deal with the devil.
Oh. Hey, he's dead.
Yay!
High five.
High five.
Audible high five.
Here, high five! Smack. Yeah, audible! Why are you stopped? Oh. What? God damn it, what the hell?
Weapons
Wait.
only. Run away.
But what other ghoulie can I kill? This is... No, oh, okay.
But you only need to kill 4 of them.
I hate this game.
Bust that open when you get a chance. Yep.
Can I just let them kill each other?
You can try. It's gonna take a while.
Oh, well that would have been nice earlier.
Are you kidding me?
What the hell was that?
That was the imp.
Oh.
The flying imp.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
That's what the guy came out of. Yeah. There's the fishing rod in the corner, remember?
There's boots and stuff over there too. Oh.
Oh, you can grab that.
Shit.
Oh!
Why did he come from that door?
I don't know.
That's not the door I have to go to. God damn it. I hate this game.
That's where the zombies come out of.
Oh, okay. Why does he have zombies in a crate? Alright, what's this?
Same reason he has a kid in the chest.
Where are those fucking imps?
They come out of random places. So I'd save those.
That's really random. That was kind of you. Oh, now he's
gonna attack you, right?
Yeah. Thanks, asshole.
He's a fucking opportunist asshole.
Oh.
Did you just kick the pillar?
I did.
Rude. That probably hurt a lot.
Can I do it again? No.
Anything pop out of it?
No. That was weird. Alright, come here. So you're just gonna be a fucking... Alright, I can't kill you. Fuck you.
He's gonna fly just out of reach.
There he is.
Look at his feet.
What?
Feet.
Where's feet?
Like the camera zoomed in weird.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Ooh.
Apparently I narrowly missed a fucking...
Wow.
Oh. That's handy. Come here.
Grab the plate.
Oh, invisible creeper. Where'd you go? Smack!
Yeah, I would save that for the next challenge, actually.
Invisible creeper?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus.
You only got 9 left.
I know, I'm gonna go grab the TV. Oh, okay. Thank you for standing in front of the TV for me. Okay, that's cool. Are you gonna do it again? Yeah, you are.
Yeah, he is.
You're an asshole. I don't know how I avoided that.
There you go.
Damn. I don't know how I just strafed past that.
Now, if you grab the invisibility, you might be able to just go through the level. Like, just through the door.
You think? But it closes.
It worked last time. Remember?
What, with the,
When,
no, but
when
the
you
door...
when you were in the Great Hall and the door...
No, the door was open, though. This door closes as part of a challenge. It gets the question mark on it again. So it's locked. Watch. See?
Now run away from them first. Oh!
Can I just leave?
No, but you can grab the invisibility and avoid the Reaper. Oh, zombies here. Oh, you only need to kill one more.
I know.
Challenge over. Run away! Whoa!
Jesus Christ!
I think that's the closest you've ever come.
Oh, not this place again. Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna cut it here. I'm done.
Yeah, this level's gonna take a minute. Having fun?
No.
I think you are.
That's like that frustrating kind. Not frustrated, but like that.
The frustrated determination to finish the game,
Yeah.
right?
Well, sort of. It's more like this is entertaining, but it's also stressful. So, we'll see you guys next time.